So it's called Amazon Wholesale, but it doesn't actually mean that someone who does Amazon Wholesale is a wholesaler. Someone who does Amazon Wholesale buys from suppliers, usually wholesalers or distributors, maybe even sometimes the brand themselves, and they resell the products that they have bought at wholesale value on Amazon to retail buyers at a profit. Someone who does Amazon Wholesale usually sources the products in the marketplace they actually sell in. For example, let's say you're on Amazon.com in the US. You'll have wholesale accounts with suppliers in the US. You'll regularly want to ask your suppliers to send you their list of their latest inventory and up-to-date pricing. You'll go through these lists thoroughly and look for products that are A, profitable, and B, sell fast. There is a lot of other criteria you should look for, but those two are the main and obvious ones. There's a lot of software you can use to help you with this, the main one being Keeper. You'll then buy the good products and sell it via FBA or FBM on Amazon. If you're doing FBA, you send your products to Amazon's warehouse. When a customer buys them, Amazon will send it out to them. If you're selling via FBM, you'll have to send it to the customer using your own shipping methods. Check out this video here for more information on FBA and FBM. I hope this video gave you a better understanding on Amazon Wholesale. In the next video, we'll be talking about online arbitrage. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with the videos we release. I'll see you in the next video.